with our best players of the game. We have first Greg Slaughter. Greg, we understand that you've been out for at least 10 months, but how do you feel being back inside the court playing with your teammates again?
I'm just happy to be back out here. It's been so long. I miss playing with the guys. Just trying to find my rhythm, fit in, but lucky I got teammates to help me along.
You mentioned to me earlier that you're about 65% going to this conference. What is still lacking that you're still trying to work on?
Just my rhythm and getting along with my teammates, Just got to find out how I can get my timing, fit in with everyone, and I think we'll only get better as time goes on.
Now, Greg, any greetings you would like to send out?
I just want to say hi to all my family in Cebu. I'll be seeing y'all August 26th when we got our game down there.
All right, Greg, thank you and congratulations. Now, our second best player of the game is LA Tenorio with 29 points, 5 out of 7 from the three-point area. LA, in the first game of the conference, hindi nyo nakuha yung panalo, but this time you got it. Ano ba yung nag-click or nagawa nyo this time that you failed to do the first game?
I think yung defense namin, yun yung number 1 adjustment namin do sa first game compared to this game. So, yun lang, we went back to basic offensively and defensively. So, kaya siguro maganda yung tinakbo rin ng team namin.
Ngayon na nagbabalik na si Greg, how will this change the dynamics of your team at bilang point guard? Ano yung mga adjustment na gagawin nyo?
Malaking bagay si Greg, pero yun nga, kailangan din natin to be fair kay Greg, 10 months kasi siya hindi naglaro eh. So, kailangan lang unti-unti lang talaga na maibalik siya sa sistema namin. But I think Greg is doing a good job on getting back on shape right away. So sana, kasi malaking bagay talaga siya sa amin. Kailangan namin siya, especially down the stretch of playoffs.
Ngayon, LA, magpasalamat ka na at batiin mo na yung mga milyon-milyon naghahantay ng iyong pagbate.
Maraming salamat. Unang-una sa lahat ng mga Ginebra fans. Maraming salamat. Patuloy kayo sumuporta sa amin. To my family, sa wife ko, kay Sandy Sian, at kay Lucas. And sa Wednesday Club, kasama ko dito sa mga barkada ko. Hello sa inyo. Sa mga taga Nasugo, Batangas.